Hey everybody, Matt here. I am just making a quick video for people wanting to get this rear wheel off for a tire change or whatever. And they only have the Torx wrenches because the Torx wrench, the leveraging portion won't go into the hub. So what you got to do is put this in there, but now you don't have any leverage, right? Because you have this short little piece. So what you do is put it in gear, of course. Okay. Then put this on one of the Torx nuts. And then to get your leverage, what you want to do is get a crescent wrench. Put it on here like this. Adjust it nice and tight while it's on there. And then undo it. Works very well. And that's for people who only have the Torx wrenches and they don't have the Torx sockets, because otherwise you could just use a socket wrench. So do this and you'll be good. Thanks for checking in.